Hello, good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are all fit and fine in your home. Myself, your English teacher Gulshan Sharif, welcomes you to Mahila Samaja online digital classes. Subject English, topic Marching to Freedom, class 4th standard. So, dear children, in our last class we studied about the Marching to Freedom topic that is related to Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was also known as the father of our nation, Bapu ji, and he was born on 2nd October 1869 and he was assassinated on 30th January 1948. And he was planning to do the Dandi March that was planned in Sabarmati Ashram. See, this is the Sabarmati Ashram I showed you in the last class. Sabarmati Ashram is also known as the Harijan Ashram, and it was a home to Mohandas Gandhi from 1917 till 1930 and served as one of the main centers of Indian freedom struggle. While at the ashram, Gandhiji formed a school that focused on manual labor, agriculture and literacy to advance his effort for self-sufficiency. Dear students, this Sabarmati Ashram is located in the Sabarmati subway of Ahmedabad, as I told you, near Gujarat, adjoining the Ashram road on the bank of the river Sabarmati, 4 kilometers away from the town hall. This was the one of the residents of Mahatma Gandhi. He lived at Sabarmati and Sevagram when he was not traveling across India. He has his statue, and this is the place where the Gandhiji used to spin the charaka. And we studied about the Dhani. Dhani was a 9-year-old boy and he lived in Sabarmati Ashram with his parents, and he has a small goat his name was Binni. He used to give the milk. So Dhani, one fine day, he went and asked to the Binda Chacha that what was going in the Sabarmati Ashram. He told that Gandhiji was planning to go through the Gujarat to reach the sea at the place called Dandi. He raised a question, why these people they want to travel whole month instead of they can go with a bus or train. So Binda Chacha told that after walking a month they are going to make a salt. So again he got a thought that everybody will get the salt in the market or in the shop if we pay the amount. But Binda Chacha told that the Britishers has levied the tax on the salt too for the Indians, so they want to make their own salt. So now let's continue in the next part. Won't Gandhiji and his men get tired after walking for a month? Why don't they take the bus or train? Dhani brooded worriedly. He was brooded. Brooded means thought deep about something in an unhappy way. ಅವನಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವನೇ ತಿನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇವರು ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೋ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. So here, after that, because if he goes on this long march and walks all the way to Dandi, the news will spread. There will be pictures in the newspapers and reports on the radio, and people all over the world will know that we are fighting for our freedom, and that will be really embarrasses the British, explained Binda. So Gandhiji and his men will get tired after walking for a month. It is not an easy task to walk for a month. So Dhani said worriedly, he is going like this because it will be a long march till Dandi, and the news of his march will spread. This will be news in newspaper, and people in radio will come to know about this news, and will they also start supporting all over the world. They also start supporting Gandhiji. Intentionally Gandhiji was doing this. The world will know that we are fighting for freedom, and this will really make the British feel shame, explained Binda. Dhani thought Gandhiji was very clever. He decided to ask Gandhiji if he could join the march too. Early next morning, Dhani and Binni had looked all over before they found Gandhiji at the cowshed. They followed Gandhiji from the cowshed through vegetable garden back to his hut. So, Binda Chacha was explaining the people will come to know the news in the newspaper through radios and they will also support the Gandhiji. See, listening to the radios and reading the newspaper, from this the news will pass within a fraction of a second and the people will decide whether to support Gandhiji or whether to support the Britishers. So this Dhani was thinking even I can join the march and he planned to ask Gandhiji. The Gandhiji was in the cowshed. They followed this Binni and this Dhani. They followed the Gandhiji to ashram. See, they are following the Mahatma Gandhiji. What is your name, beta? Dhani. Gandhiji. What is this your goat? And this is your goat. Yes, Gandhiji. This is my friend Binni who gives the milk you drink every morning. Dhani smiled proudly and said, I take care of her. So after following Gandhiji, they finally reached the ashram. Here, Dhani was asking the questions. Gandhiji was asking the questions to Dhani. What is your name, beta? Beta ಅಂದರೆ ಮಗನೇ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಮಗನೇ? ನನಗೆ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So, Dhani replied, Dhani, Gandhiji, and this is your goat as the Gandhiji. Yes, Gandhiji, this is my friend Binni who gives the milk you drink. Every morning, Dhani smiled proudly and said, I take care of her. So Gandhiji asked, what is your name? For which Dhani replied, Gandhiji, my name is Dhani. Next he asked, this is your goat. Yes, Gandhiji, this is my friend Binni who gives the milk you drink every morning. Dhani smiled proudly and said, I take care of this Binni. Good. Why were you both following me? Following me everywhere this morning, Gandhiji asked. I wanted to ask you whether I could come with you to Dandi. Dhani asked nervously. Gandhiji smiled and said, you are too small, beta. Dandi is 385 kilometers away and only young man will be able to walk. But you are not young, said Dhani. Won't you feel tired? I am a good walker, replied Gandhiji. I am a good walker too, Dhani was adamant. So Gandhiji looked thoughtfully and then continued, good, but why were you following me everywhere? He asked. I go from the morning and ask Gandhiji. Dhani replied, I wanted to ask you if I couldn't join you to Dandi. He asked nervously. Mahatma Gandhiji smiled and said, you are too small, beta. You can't walk 385 kilometers away and only the young men will be able to walk. So, but you are not young, pointed out Dhani. So, for this, Gandhiji said, I am a good walker, said Gandhiji. So, for this, Dhani again said, I am also a good walker, he said adamantly. Adamant means determined not to change mind about something. See, he is arguing with Gandhiji politely. So, Dandi was 385 kilometers away. So, he was insisting Dhani to be in the ashram and to take care of his goat. Gandhiji looked thoughtful and then continued, but who will take care of Binni if you go with me? When I come back, I will be very weak. I will need to drink a lot of milk to become strong again. You are right, Gandhiji. Binni eats only when I feed her. Dhani lovingly stroked Binni's head. Exactly. So will you stay in the ashram and take care of Binni for me? Yes, Gandhiji, I will, said Dhani and Binni, and I will be waiting for you. Written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. So after the small argument, Gandhiji looked thoughtfully, and he thought that Dhani was very brave boy and he don't want to hurt Dhani, and he said, but who will take care of the Binni if you come with me? When I come back, I will need, he will become very weak, so he need milk to drink. If you take care of your Binni, it will give more milk, and after coming back, I can drink more milk and I can become strong again. So it's better you be here and take care of your Binni. After that, Dhani realized that yes, only Binni eats when I feed her. You are right, Gandhiji. You please be on the march. I will take care of the goat, and after coming back, I will get you the milk and make you strong. And Gandhiji smiled and Dhani went away. Children, I hope you understood this story. Read the lesson twice and answer the questions given in the home assignment. See, Gandhiji is trying to convince the Dhani. And after realizing that Dhani, only Binni will feed, will be feed after Dhani, he realized and he went away saying, yes, Gandhiji, what you are telling is right. So meanings: adamant, determined not to change mind about something; brooded, thought deeply about something in an unhappy way; charaka, a spinning wheel used to spin thread yarn from natural or synthetic fibers; embraces, to make someone look foolish in public; impatient, annoyed or imitated, irritated by somebody or something; tax, money that you have to pay to the goods. Home assignment: what was Binda Chacha doing in the field? Why did Gandhiji selected the way of walking for Amman to Dandi? Who is referred to attend this lesson? Who is referred to beta in this lesson? Please students, try to read this question carefully. Space is not there. Who is referred to beta in this lesson? Hope you understood the lesson. Meet you in the next class with a new poem, that is The Prisoner's Bird. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you.